everyone. Today we're gonna be blowing flashbangs the whole server. We're flashbanging the whole server with a friend of mine. His
Hi, I'm
that's
getting something real quick.
his again. I'm using the camera mod right now. This bag right here has a bag full of flashbangs.
Not full yet.
I mean, not full yet though, but let's
Almost.
just say it's yeah. But if you want to join my fan code, I will give a giveaway, which is my favorite. I mean, not my like, kind of my favorite. Uh, I'll give you this. Uh, Join my fan code. It is Holden GT, HOLDENGT.
Oh, you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, Blue Monkey GT. That's my. But I have a fan code Holden GT.
Alright, give me a second.
All
What is
right,
it?
we got the. It's Holden GT. I mean, Blue Monkey GT. Uh,
Blue
I have
Monkey.
two. It's a blue monkey with the head. I forgot the brown headscarf thingy. I forgot what it's called. The Russian hat.
How many subscribers do you have? Do you have 13 or
200, 236, I think. 235.
so it's Blue Monkey GT, right?
Yeah.
Is it Animal Company?
No, it's not Animal Company. It's Blue Monkey GT with the blue. It's a blue monkey with it's kind of like a cool monkey. With blue Russian. I mean, the Russian hat and I forgot of the blue eyes and thing.
Is it Gorilla Tag picture?
Is it like a white background with it?
I don't know which one. So, spell it out for me.
B L
B L
U E
U E.
M O.
Wait, is there a space?
No spaces.
M O.
K E
You forgot the N. Wait, is it
M
monkey
O
or just
N. Is it MONKE?
MONKE?
And then GT, and then enter, and then you should see like a blue monkey with a white background and Russian hat and all that.
Subscribed. That's what you look like?
Yeah. Just tell me because I have 235 subscribers. Do not look at my face. I swear to God. I mean, that's my fault for putting my face in there. Because I look like I'm like 1 year old.
You don't
That was
look a
like,
1-year-old. You look young, but not young as well. You're
I
definitely
mean, that
younger
was like
than me.
that was like 2 years ago, I think. I don't know if it's accepted. Who the frick?
So how much money you got? Let me see.
364,000 from that code. From the money code.
Nice, nice.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
back full.
it's almost
Flash.
full.
I mean, not almost full though.
Let me see.
But if you want to see what the camera mod looks like,
I already own it.
this is oh yeah, you can't see the mirror.
No, I know. I have the camera mod. Look. Watch me. Ooh, watch me. Watch me. Ooh, watch me. Watch me. Ooh, watch me. Watch me. Watch me. Ooh, watch me. Watch me. Watch me.
Hey.
Boom. Oh, mine's stonish color.
Oh, it's white color. Well, you can't grab ours no more. Wait, try to grab mine. Try to grab mine. Try to grab mine. Oh, oh, they fixed it. They fixed it, so I can't grab your camera anymore. That's nice. Yeah, I'm gonna make it where you can. Here. Hey,
Hello?
it's yep, I'm here.
Just buy one. Can you buy one single flashbang, please? You just need one single flashbang. All right.
Wait, hold on. Hold on a second. Let me do something. I need to. Wait. I think I know why I got. I think I know why I have research points. It's because of the like the thing. Because the what's it called? It's
What
because
now?
of the app. They gave me research points. I think. I think it's because of the app. Now, because I had 0 research points, and now I have 2.
Nice. All right, come here. Where you going?
Wait.
Don't leave.
No, I'm not leaving. I'm doing the Toasty Drip code.
Oh no, that's like long gone.
Oh.
Only 1,000 people could got it. All right, let's go. Oh, I forgot. I can't grab it. All right.
Look at the camera mic compared to this one.
All right, come on.
Look at this.
Let's do this. Let's do it.
Get flashbang. Oh, I'm gonna buy a flashbang. Yeah, I've got some. Yeah, I'm gonna get. Yeah, I need like a big bag. Wait, hold on a second. Hold on a second. Let me get ready. Okay. Okay. Here's the
You can make it
flashbangs.
like face this way, so you can make it zoom, like just time lapse and everything.
There's the camera box.
3, 2, 1.
Oh. Oh, I cannot see. Oh my god. Where's my camera? There it is. Oh, I think I grabbed it. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, there's still more.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro. Wait, watch this. I can make like a laggy explosion. Oh. Let's do that thing again, but. Care.
All right.
Yeah. It's yours.
It's a 30-second cooldown.
But after, I'm gonna be going into public lobbies and I'm gonna say, oh, perp. But after this big explosion, I'm gonna be going to public lobbies and showing the camera mod.
All right.
Yay. Ah, sure, I'm lagging. Your bag's full, I think. Bag. Yeah, let me go put the rest over here.
Yeah,
There's bags over.
don't just empty them. Don't just empty them. Don't empty them yet.
Okay, I'm just gonna put them right here. Okay, that's a bag. What do you need eggs?
Because they're also explosives.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. Let me get. Oh, my bag.
That one's
It's
not
like,
full. It's just that the cooldown.
gotta cool down now. Well, look how heavy this bag is. I can turn the FOV up. Hold on. Allow anyone to grab. Oh! Yo, try to grab it. Try to grab it. Try to grab it. I made it so you can grab it. I made it so everyone can grab it. The FOV is so. I'm gonna turn up the FOV real quick. Hold on. The FOV, but not like down. Okay, wait. Like that. This is my bag, yeah.
Mmm. Mmm.
Let's make the biggest explosion. Where'd my phone go? Alright. They're coming with me. Egg. Egg. Oh, yeah, I have a full bag. Are you okay, bro? I have a full bag.
Alright.
Did
So
we dump
we
them
just
out
start
now?
empty.
Yeah, I think this is enough.
Yeah, this is. Just let me grab something.
My game's about to lag. Oh my god, my freaking backpack, the backpacks are lagging out. This backpack's not lagging. Okay, our game's gonna crash out, I swear to god. Shoot this backpack, bro. Okay,
Alright.
ready.
Come here.
We're ready. Now let me get the cameraman.
Just get out of my camera's view, alright? Just get. Move. So. Yeah, there we go. Alright.
Okay, I think we're good. Welcome to our game lag.
Oh, my camera mod got closed.
Yeah, mine just closed out. I just pressed connect and now it's back.
GYUK.
Alright, let me end the video. Alright. Alright, that is all for this video. So, bye bye.